So here are my gigantic tomato plants that came out just from my kitchen scraps. I didn't have to do anything. I didn't even know they were there until like a few weeks ago. And I'm going to be taking some of them once they're ripe and making some facial soap with them. I'm still waiting on my supplies from brambleberry. But once they come and these tomatoes get ripe, I'm gonna have to make some facial soap, and this soap will be great for use on acne. And I'm gonna be making two versions, one scented and one unscented. But look at these, they're just gigantic. This is such a blessing, and I'm so happy with it. Talk to you.